welcome back. Y'all already know for what? A quick little video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and get right into this video. So today we are going to be talking about Liv's life. I watched the live that she did yesterday. I think the live was titled Child Support Fail or whatever. So in this live, it made Olivia look dumb. Alright, as usual. In most of her videos, she looks kinda, well, I'm not gonna say in most of her videos, it comes across soon as she opens her mouth that she is stupid. Alright. I'm sorry, but yeah, it is what it is. Alright. Actions speak louder than words. So basically, in this video, she said that she did, child support on Zoom with Gerard. All right, she said that she wanted $1,000 a month for all three kids, but she settled for $7 something. All right, in this actual live, Liv said that he told them whatever amount that he made. Liv said that that wasn't all the way correct, but she went head on and she went with that. There are a little bit of things that actually strike me a little weird in this actual live. Normally when you go through child support and it is from a judge, they normally ask for the father's pay stubs. But this Liv, they didn't ask that in her case. Yeah. So that was, kind of weird to me. Now, let's go ahead and, kick it off real good for a Friday night. Liv, you continue to want to control Gerard. If you would stop trying to control Gerard and go ahead and do the co-parenting the way it should be, I really think that y'all would get along a little bit better. All right. When you do these type of videos and the things that you say, Olivia, it shows all of YouTube, social media, whatever it is, it shows us exactly how mature and how smart you are. Olivia, you keep bringing up the fact that you do not want your kids around Gerard's girlfriend or Gerard's family. And I don't know if nobody has told you this, but I'm going to tell you, Liv, Olivia, you cannot say that you don't want your kids around Gerard's girlfriend. Because I can tell you right now, that is not how it works. And the judge will never, ever, ever put that through. As long as his girlfriend is not harming them, neglecting them, all of those type of things, Gerard can take your kids, which is have his kids, around his girlfriend, around his family, any time he wants. I know and I see that when you feel like that is what Gerard is going to do, you get on camera and you get so bothered. You get what I'm saying? And you can see it on your face. That right there, you look very ignorant when you do that. Because I can tell you right now, Liv, there is not one thing that you can do about who Gerard decides to take his kids around. I don't know who you have talked to, who has told you that this is what can be done, but let me tell you, you are sadly mistaken. There is nothing you can do at all. So you might as well go ahead and you might as well get over that. All right. Now, Gerard, if I was you, well, you know what? I'm not even going to get on Gerard. You go and you say that, his girlfriend is a hoe, a whore. You get what I'm saying? All of those type of things, that you know where she lives at. You said that if you wanted to actually key her car, you would. All right. You said that you are from LA. And LA, girls, women's, BITs, whatever you want to call yourself, do not play like that. But this is what I'm going to tell you. Olivia, you are a nobody at all. All right. Nobody is checking for you whatsoever. At all. Okay. You tend to say that his girlfriend is a whore. I don't know if you realize that you have came on live with Brandon in the background. You have your kids calling Brandon daddy. And I'm going to tell you something right there. That is real fucked up. That shows exactly what type of conniving, evil, mean-spirited woman, girl, child girl that you are. Okay? It does. Very much so. I could care less. You have not known Brandon that long. And one thing, Brandon would not be calling my kids anything at all. And my kids would not be calling him daddy at all. Not at all. They would not even be having dreams about calling Brandon daddy. Because what I am going to say, as I have seen Gerard on camera with his kids, it seems to me and many others that he loves his kids dearly. All right. I could see if he was out of the picture and your kids were calling Brandon daddy. Well, actually, no, I'm lying. It would have to take some time for my kids to be able to call someone who is not blood relationship to my kids daddy, father, dad, pop, none of that. You should be ashamed of yourself for doing that. You should feel some type of way inside. You should feel a little bit disgusted. You know, I'm going to kick it to you like it is because I don't give a fuck. All right. Only thing I'm doing is I am doing a reaction to the shit that you put out every day. All right. Now, let's get on Gerard. Now, Gerard, if you are watching this video, go ahead and take a seat. Get yourself out a piece of paper, a pencil, a pen, a crayon, a marker. I don't care. But all you have to do, Gerard, is all of this stuff that Liv keeps posting on, her YouTube page, go ahead and make sure that you save all of those videos. That's the first thing that I'm going to tell you. The second thing that I'm going to tell you is that Liv said that you called her when her door got kicked in and you wanted to make sure that everything was okay. So basically, you were seeing if you needed to come over there because your kids were over there with her. All right. Now, remember where I just said that Liv does not want her kids around your girlfriend, which she cannot stop at all. But Brandon, yeah, you can make it where those Brandon cannot be around your kids. All right. Go ahead and look at those videos where they say that Brandon kicked in her door, where her own friend Misha got on camera and made Olivia look like a complete dumbass. And that's her friend. I can tell you now, I don't know how long they will be friends because Misha just goes ahead and she spits it right out of her mouth. As in, she also said, Liv, do you see the comments down below? They are saying, how can you talk about Chrissy And Liv said, what do you mean? Liv, you know exactly what they mean. How can you talk about Chrissy? You might as well go ahead and cut that right on off, because there ain't shit in the world right now that you can say about Chrissy with no man, no nigga, no boy, no nothing right now. The way you are over here looking like you are the town's slut. Yeah, I said it. But anyway, Gerard, all you have to do is save that where she said that Brandon broke the door in and all that type of stuff. And when you go down to court, put that right on, the video and everything. And I can guarantee you the judge will make it. Whereas though Brandon cannot be around your kids. All right. Now that was number 2. Now number 3, here's another home run for you, Jerrod. Next, one of your daughters, Liv, does not have her with the same name as you have. If you want to be a real petty ninja, all right, only thing you have to do, Gerard, is go to the courthouse and let them know. And what they will do is they will go ahead and issue out a paternity test and go ahead and let Liv pay for that. Now, don't get it twisted. I'm pretty sure that is your daughter. But I'm saying if you want to be on the petty shit, that's all that you have to do. They are 3 things, all right? The 4th that I'm going to say to you, Gerard, is you don't want to pay Olivia child support. Go ahead and stand up on your 2 legs and be the man that you actually should be. Go ahead and tell the judge that you want to keep your kids half the time. And Olivia is going to keep them half the time. And that can be issued as well. And you know what, Gerard? Here go another home run for you, number 5. If you keep them half the time and Olivia decides to keep them half the time, which the judge can grant, guess what, Gerard? You can file those babies on your income tax for 6 months, and Olivia can do the other 6 months. See, Gerard, when you go through all these type of people, and you know what I'm saying, and you already know that Olivia is petty, what you got to do is, when it come to people like that, you got to be petty as they are going to be. If there is something that you do not know, then go ahead, that girlfriend that Olivia has called a whore, tell her to go ahead and call up a lawyer and research some of these things that I am telling you. There is always, Gerard, more than one way to skin a cat. So I have just gave you a tad bit of things that you can do. It is what it is. That's why I say, Liv, when you come onto this platform and you come on here ignorant to the things that you say, that the things that you really don't know, it can make you look in a long run like the biggest fool there is. So like I said, Gerard, go ahead and listen to what I say, and everything that she puts up on the internet where she's saying she don't want this person around your kids, she don't want that. You have all the proof. The only thing you need to do is go ahead and snatch these little recordings out of the stuff that she has said. And I can tell you, court will work in your favor. I mean, I'm just tripping. When I hear it, I'm like, Liv has got to be the most dumbest person on the face of this, you know what I'm saying, earth. Whereas though she think that she can stop you from taking your kids around your girlfriend and around your family. All right. Gerard, what you should do is take them over your girlfriend's house 50 times as many times as you want. Matter of fact, ask your girlfriend, do she got any cousins? Or if she can braid your daughter's hair. All right. As much as you can. And sisters, please take as many photos as you decide to take with them and post them on every social media that you feel like you want to. I mean Facebook, I mean TikTok, I mean YouTube, I mean Instagram. Did I miss any? Tumblr. All of them. Olivia, what I am going to say to you is you got it fucked up too. Because from people and girlfriends that I know who have tried to stop them from, you know what I'm saying, their children's father from seeing them, like, oh no, I'm going to keep them all the time. My kid's not going to go over there. My kid's not going to do that. Let me tell you something about that too. Like I said, I had girlfriends, cousins that did it. After keeping their kids all the time and not being able to do shit, baby, you gonna turn that little attitude right on around. You gonna be like, phone gonna be like, ring. Gerard, please come get them. You can take these kids to your girlfriend's house. You can take them to your grandmother, your aunts, your sisters, your next door neighbors, the people at your work with, anywhere. But I need a break. You gonna go ahead and fall back from that, Olivia. You gonna look back and you gonna be like, yeah, that girl Reese, the one, you know, because I don't like chocolate girls, and I don't like, you know, dark skin girls, and I don't like caramel girls. But she said some real shit. Because right now, as I am looking on this video at her, I am waiting for Gerard to come get his kids. Matter of fact, Kim, Niecy, whoever want to come and pull up out front, please come and get him, because I need a break. Anyway, y'all, I'm getting ready to get off of here. See y'all in the next video.